Want to turn your voice into a paycheck? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to break into the voiceover industry, even if you're a complete beginner. Stick around because by the end of the video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start your voiceover journey. So, I'm Earl Hall, in case you have never seen me before. And whether you've always been told you have a great voice or just looking for a flexible way to make money from home, voiceover work could be your ticket to financial freedom. I'm going to break these down into 3 essential steps that will get you started on the right track. Now, step 1, understanding the voiceover industry. First things first, you need to understand what you're getting into. The voiceover industry isn't just about having a nice voice. It's a legitimate business with real opportunities. Here's what most people actually don't realize. There are dozens of different niches within voiceover work. You've got commercials. Think radio and TV ads. There's audiobook narration, which is absolutely booming right now. E-learning is huge also. Companies need voices for training modules and online courses. Then you have explainer videos, phone systems, video games, and the list just goes on and on and on. The key is to not try to be everything to everyone. Just pick 1 or 2 niches that excite you and focus there first. This is your unique value zone, that specific area where you can become known as the person for that type of work. Now, step number 2. Essential equipment and software. Now let's talk about what you actually need to get started. Now, the good news, you don't need to spend thousands of dollars right away to get into this thing. So here's your basic setup. First, a decent microphone. You can start with something like a Cinco Mic D2 for under $250. Next, you need recording software. Audacity is free and perfect for beginners. As you grow, you might upgrade to something like Adobe Audition. Right? So here's the thing most people mess up. Your recording space matters more than expensive equipment. Now, I need to say this again because people just want to skip over this part. Your recording space matters more than expensive equipment. Where you're recording, right? You need a quiet, controlled environment. Now, start simple. Record in a closet full of clothes or create a blanket fort. I'm being totally serious. The clothes absorb sound and reduce echo. Like if you're in your clothes closet, your clothes are going to reduce that bouncing of sound waves off of the wall, and it's going to give you a much cleaner sound. And it's going to sound pretty much like you're in an actual recording booth, as long as it's quiet as well. The main thing is you want to reduce the echo from your voice bouncing off the walls. If you think about it, you ever got a brand new apartment or a house or whatever, there's no furniture in it, and you walk in and all you hear is echo. You just hear yourself echoing all over the place. But you don't hear that echo when you start filling it up with furniture, right? It's completely different. If you record in a closed closet, especially, a walk-in closet, it's really good for absorbing all of that sound. So you're also going to need a pop filter. That's the circular screen that goes in front of your mic to reduce the harsh P sounds and B sounds, anything that causes air to come out of your mouth, basically. Get a good pair of closed back headphones, right? For monitoring your recordings. I'm looking here. Here are mine. These are my headphones that I use. Oops, sorry about that. When I'm doing voiceover closed back headphones. Now, the startup cost for all of this, you're going to get going for under $300, $400. That's it, right? Now, let's move on to step number 3, finding your niche and getting started. Here's where the magic happens, quite literally. Finding your niche and actually getting work. Remember what I said about not trying to be everything to everyone? This is crucial. Maybe you have a warm, trustworthy voice, perfect for e-learning, or perhaps you've got that energetic, upbeat sound that's perfect for commercials. Now, here's a simple exercise. Record yourself reading different types of scripts or copy. Try a commercial script, then an audiobook excerpt, then an e-learning module. Which one feels more natural to you? Which one do people compliment you on? Now, once you've identified your niche, it's time to create a demo reel. Now, this is your calling card, a 60 to 90 second showcase of your best work in your chosen niche. Keep it tight, professional, and focused. Now, for getting clients, start with online platforms like voices.com, Voices123, or even Fiverr to build experience and testimonials. Now, the rates might be lower initially, but you're building a reputation and learning the business. Don't forget about local opportunities. Literally, local. Reach out to local businesses, radio stations, and production companies. Many prefer working with someone they can meet face to face. Now, let's address some of the common concerns about all of this. I know what you're thinking, but I don't have any experience or my voice isn't special enough. Now, let me tell you something. Every successful voice actor started exactly where you are right now. What matters isn't having a perfect voice. What matters is having a voice that connects with your target audience and the professionalism to deliver quality work consistently. Your voice is unique. That's literally no one else on the planet who sounds exactly like you. That's your competitive advantage, your unique voice. And here's the truth about this industry. It's not about being the best voice in the world. It's about being the right voice for the right project at the right time. Now, so here's what I want you to do right now. I want you to pick one niche that interests you. Record a 30-second sample using your phone. Yes, your phone is fine for this exercise. Listen back and ask yourself, could I see this voice selling a product or teaching someone something? If the answer is yes, you're ready to take the next step. Invest in that basic equipment setup I mentioned and start practicing daily. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. The only difference between someone making six figures in voiceover and someone just dreaming about it is that one person took action. Now, the voiceover industry is waiting for your unique voice. You have something valuable to offer, most definitely. You just need to package it professionally and put it out there. On screen right now, click on it. I have an entire playlist on the screen to show you and to help you dive deeper into how to get started in voiceover. Also, make sure you drop a comment below and let me know what niche you're the most excited to explore. Your voiceover journey starts now. So go make it happen.